Today, take a look at the Vive Deluxe audio strap. We got our instructions. That's nice. We got a little cable tie. And we got the instructions right there on the box. And this is the main thing. So we can see here, the speakers can move in and out. They can also rotate up and down. They can also pop out. So you can actually get this thing on. You got a nice cushion all the way around, which is going to be a lot better than that Velcro strap. That's probably the most important thing about this. It's not even the speakers. It's just that this is going to be a lot more rigid. I didn't even realize that until I upgraded from a Vive to a Vive Pro 2. And not having that springiness on the back so that this thing doesn't feel like it's kind of flopping around whenever I do a big movement, that makes all the difference in the world. We do still have a strap on the top, but that is perfectly fine. It even has a little cushion there on that too. And we can adjust that with this knob right here, so that will move it in and out to adjust for your head. So it says the first thing we're going to do is rotate both of these buckles down and they just pop off. Now on the top, just push this forward and that will disengage that clip. Yeah. And we're going to pull these out. So we got our HDMI. There you go. USB, power, and audio. And then we can pull all those through these slots. Okay, so we got our cables free. So the sides should just press on. And we'll thread the new strap through it. And we'll do the same thing for the multi-cable. And then we just need to clip the top back into place. So these cables do have a spot for them to sit. With this strap, they actually have this little holder. So it just kind of fits in like that. So having used these things in the Vive Pro 2, I can say that they work excellent. But the most important thing to me is just that this is a lot more stiff. Yeah, that feels 10 times better. Just the cushion, the fact that this thing doesn't feel like it's kind of bouncing, this is an excellent strap. The audio is just kind of a bonus.